Hey everyone, welcome back. This will be a quick video on how to enable dark mode in Fusion 360. To get started, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and go to Preferences. Next, scroll all the way down to Preview Features and look for the option that says Enable UI Themes. Check that box. Then click Apply and hit OK. Now go ahead and restart Fusion 360 to activate the feature. Once it's restarted, go back into Preferences, and under the General tab, you'll see a new option for theme. Click on it and you'll see a few options: Fusion Classic, Light Gray, and Dark Blue, which is the dark mode. Select Dark Blue, click Apply, then OK, give it a second. And just like that, you've enabled dark mode in Fusion 360. You can also adjust the background manually if you want more control. Go to the bottom toolbar, click on Display Settings, then choose Environment. From there, you can select a darker background like dark sky or gray room to match your style. If you don't see these options in your settings, it might not be available to you just yet. Thanks for watching. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.